Learning how to code can change your life. Learning digital skills opens the door to a new world.
This is the feeling I often encounter when I am learning new skills, and it is definitely the feeling I felt when I started learning to code. Coding is not just learning to read and write a programming language. You can change your life simply by immersing yourself in a new world, and you can use this skill to make many choices. Many developers talk about podcasts or give lectures and discuss learning how to code, introduce them to tech, and got them on the path to doing great things in tech.
Through coding, computers can do amazing work. The work we perform on a computer is just a bunch of code written by the developer, which makes our lives easier. So when you try to delete a file, someone wrote a lot of code, so you don't have to type all instructions for your computer to delete the file. There are even codes on your mobile devices when you get updates on your favorite app or game. These updates mean that the developer has adjusted the code to make things better. Once you start learning to code, you will not immediately create a great application or website. It will take time and hard work, but learning how to code will help you get started. Everything is possible. There are endless options and routes to follow. Knowing that these skills can do whatever you want, or go in any direction technically, will give you a lot of inspiration. Usually, when a developer asks why they like coding, they say they love it because it made them creators. This gives them the opportunity to play and see their abilities just by writing lines of code. You'll be developing a growth mindset. Writing code is not just about learning how programming languages work. Coding will change the way you think and may even change your own lifestyle. When writing code, start to build a growth concept. Learning to code is essential. If the code breaks, the developer shouldn't get frustrated because it's the developer's job. Developers usually work like car mechanics, except that they only fix broken code and not the car. If the code wasn't broken, developers would be done for the day. So what is a growth mindset? A growth mindset is a positive attitude, focusing on what one can do. If you have a growth mindset, you aren't afraid to challenge. With a firm mindset, the opposite is true. With a fixed mindset, people think about the good and bad things they know. They give up easily and don't like challenges. Technology is always changing. Just like other professions, coding is very similar to teaching. Teachers have to keep up with the latest changes to achieve success with students. This also applies to developers who need to keep up with modern technology. If you have a fixed mindset, it's okay, but learning to code can help you develop a growth mentality. Tech lets you work in any industry. Technical skills do not mean that you can only do technical work. When companies try to adapt to this new technology world, they are always looking for people who understand the latest technology and can help them adapt to this new technology-driven world. If you like the industry you are in now, you may have the opportunity to use your new technical skills to find a job or get a promotion. You can get a side hustle. Side hustles are becoming a common way to gain experience and achieve career goals. In addition to technical websites, I often read many career websites, and Hustle is one of the things often recommend to people who change careers. This will help you get back on your feet and even make money while keeping your job. Technical skills help with networking. Nowadays, networking is a very important part of the job search process because it can benefit everyone. Companies like networking because it brings them new ideas. Remember, companies are looking for growth opportunities that fit the digital environment. This means that technical skills are of great value to companies that want to understand the technology world. You can go your own way from anywhere. Technology is full of different opportunities and industries. This means you can customize the technology for the occupation you need. You can work for a company or you can work full-time as a freelancer. It all depends on your career goals. You are the boss. One of the nicest technical aspects is the ability to work remotely, jobs applying for you. Technical skills will keep you from getting noticed in social events. The recruiter will notice this and will try to contact you. Learning to code will have a positive impact on all aspects of your life and give you a whole new kind of energy, so that you can truly achieve your desired goals. Many people believe that these positive effects are limited to improving your technical and computing skills, but there are many other aspects beyond that. From lifestyle to social life to professional life will change.